London Tower Bridge, London, UK. London Tower Bridge is a bascule and suspension bridge that spans the River Thames near the Tower of London. The bridge was constructed between 1886 and 1894 and it was officially opened on June 30th, 1894 by the Prince and Princess of Wales. The famous Tower Bridge in London, England is a must-see tourist attraction and one of the most well-known structures in the world. Two segments of the bridge open 3 times a day to allow river traffic to pass. Neo-Gothic architecture, which was fashionable in England from the 18th to early 20th century, influenced the majestic fairy tale-like Tower Bridge. Queen Victoria was opposed to the construction of a new bridge near the Tower of London because she feared that a modern-looking structure would look out of place, which is one of the reasons why its architects chose the design. Golden Gate Bridge, California, USA. The Golden Gate Bridge, as it is known, is a suspension bridge that spans the Golden Gate. San Francisco and Marin County, California are connected by the iconic and world-famous 1-mile-wide bridge. The building was started on January 5, 1933 and finished on April 19, 1937. On May 27, 1937, the bridge was officially opened to the public. The Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most photographed buildings in the world and is also considered to be one of the most beautiful. Engineers Joseph Strauss and Charles Alton Ellis designed it, and it was a feat of engineering at that time. The bridge's signature color, the international orange, was chosen by its architects and engineers Irving Morrow and Joseph Strauss to make the structure stand out in the fog that blankets the Bay Area. Brooklyn Bridge, New York City, USA. The Brooklyn Bridge in New York City, USA is one of the most renowned monuments, a hybrid, cable-stayed suspension bridge. The Brooklyn Bridge, which connects Manhattan and Brooklyn, is 5,989 feet long from end to end. It was built between 1869 and 1883 in New York City, USA. The Brooklyn Bridge was completed in 1883 to link the Manhattan and Brooklyn boroughs. It is one of the most well-known landmarks in the world. Thanks to its Gothic arcs and granite and limestone towers, even John Roebling, the building's architect, was pleased with the final result. Rialto Bridge in Venice, Italy. The Rialto Bridge is located in Venice, Italy. Although the Piazza San Marco is also well known as the Ponte di Rialto, that is Rialto Bridge, is Venice's actual heart. Between 1588 and 1591, the current structure was built as a permanent replacement for the boat bridge and 3 wooden bridges that spanned the Grand Canal at various periods since the 12th century. It was the only way to cross the Grand Canal on foot until the Accademia Bridge was built in 1854. The Rialto's bridge 7.5-meter arc was intended to allow galleys to pass through, and the massive structure was supported by 12,000 wooden pilings that are still in place more than 400 years. Isfahan, Iran's Siosepol Bridge. The Allahabadi Khan Bridge in Isfahan, Iran, is one of the 11 bridges that span the Zayan Derud River. A 2-decked stone arch bridge, the Siosepol Bridge spans the Siosepol River. The bridge, which dates back over 400 years, is a magnificent example of Persian architecture. It is Isfahan's most famous bridge due to its size and great architecture. It was designed as a meeting and leisure space rather than a bridge connecting the 2 banks of the river Zayan Derud River. It was created to connect the 2 banks of the Zayan Derud River and has 2 rows of 33 arches, thus its name, which means 33 in Persian. The Allahabadi Khan Bridge was built under the guidance of Allahabadi Khan Andildes, the commander-in-chief of the warriors. The bridge Sydney Harbour Bridge in Australia. At 1,149 meters, the Sydney Harbour Bridge is the world's longest steel arch bridge spanning the Sydney Harbour in Australia. The structure was started on July 28, 1923 and finished on March 19, 1932. The bridge was designed by Middlesbrough-based company Dorman Long & Co. Limited and a spectacular feat of engineering. Its unique arch structure stands 440 feet above sea level and weighs a massive 39,000 tons at its highest point. The design was inspired by the Hell Gate Bridge in New York City, which connects Randall's Island and the Queens. Millau Viaduct Bridge in France. The Millau Viaduct, at 1,125 feet tall and soaring above the clouds at times, is the world's tallest cable stay bridge. The Millau Viaduct, with 7 pillars built by Lord Norman Foster, spans the River Valley at a length of almost 8,000 feet. It is one of the most amazing technical and architectural achievements in the Taron River Valley near Millau, southern France. Construction started on October 16, 2001 and finished on December 16, 2004. To finish the bridge in the years, crews first built the towers, then the highway, which was slid into a place above the towers. The Akashi Kaikyo Bridge in Japan. With a height of 928 feet, the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, also known as the Pearl Bridge, is not only the world's longest suspension bridge but also one of the tallest. It connects the city of Kobe and Awaji Island in the west-central Japan and is about 4 kilometers long. The bridge was constructed between 1988 and 1998, and at that time it was the world's longest bridge. The suspension bridge is not just long, it is also designed to withstand earthquakes of up to 8.5 on the Richter scale. Hangzhou Bay Bridge in China. The Hangzhou Bay Bridge is one of the world's longest sea-crossing highway bridges, measuring 36 kilometers. It was constructed between June 8, 2003 and June 14, 2007, and it first opened to public on May 1, 2008. The bridge connects the Chinese cities of Jiaxing and Ningbo in Zhejiang province. It seems to be an S-shaped bridge when viewed from above. While stopping on the road is prohibited, there is a big viewing platform called as Land Between the Sea and Sky in the middle of it that offers a variety of sightseeing, shopping, hotel and food opportunities. The observation tower, which is 19 stories above the bridge, offers a spectacular view of the city. The Ponte Vecchio Bridge in Florence, Italy. The Ponte Vecchio is one of the world's oldest medieval arch bridges standing on the Arno River in Florence, Italy. The bridge is assumed to have been built during the Roman era. It is mentioned in a record from 1996 and it was reconstructed in 1345. It is the only bridge in Florence that has survived the Second World War. The bridge has always been filled by merchants except for a brief period when it was mostly butcher shops and leather tanners. However, towards the end of the 16th century, Duke Ferdinand had concluded that the stink and the filth they caused were too much to bear. He only allowed jewelers and goldsmiths to trade on the bridge. The Charles Stone Bridge in Prague is one of the most well-known sites in the Czech Republic. The Charles Bridge is a spectacular stone Gothic bridge in Prague. The Charles Bridge, a stone Gothic bridge, connects the Old Town and the Lesser. During its first several centuries, it is known as the Stone Bridge. It was begun in 1357 by Czech monarch and Holy Roman Emperor Charles IV, who commissioned it. The Charles Bridge is 516 meters long, 9.5 meters broad, and is supported by 15 pillars. The Stari Most Bridge in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Stari Most Old Bridge, located in the historic town of Mostar, is a 94-foot-long arched stone bridge that spans the Neretva River and was built by the Ottomans in the 16th century. It is one of the city's most prominent monuments, connecting the two sides of the city of Mostar. The stone arch bridge was started in 1557 and finished in 1566 after a 9-year construction period. Unfortunately, during the Bosnian War, which lasted from 1992 to 1995, the bridge was destroyed. It was later reconstructed with the funding from the multinational coalition led by UNESCO and the World Bank.